Hey Dan. Yeah. I brought the BMW in for you. What are you working on? I'm working on this. We need to get this thing diagnosed and fixed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, enough of the chit chat. Let's grab our nifty little notebook here.
At this point, we had found multiple codes. I had cleared the computer. 2 codes kept coming back, 2ACC and 2ACB. When I had called him, he told me that he went through the car wash and it started running funny and just shut down. And then he had the vehicle towed to us. I started digging through the wiring and checking fuses, and what I had found really sucks.
Okay, now that we got the soaking wet DME out, and you can see the pins are all corroded. If you look down in the case, look at that. It was sitting in a quart of water. Look at that. And then it's underneath the cowling here, right? So how, when the hood is shut and all of this is sealed inside of a box, and then it's sealed in another box right here, how is water getting in there? The only thing I could think of is somebody was maybe pressure washing it through the top side, because it didn't come from the bottom. And they would have to open the hood up and wash everything. I'm trying to figure out how it's getting in there from the car wash. All right, so we got the control module out, the DME on the BMW out. We're gonna try and separate this, because look at all the massive water intrusion in there. So probably gonna need a new one. We'll let it dry out and see if I got the dyno over there running. Let's see. Look at that. Soaking wet. Right now, saving this.
I'll have a part 2 to this video to show you what fixed it. Thanks for watching, guys.